Guys, as I promised, I'll get people as they walk in. And who do we have behind door number one?
Gotcha.
Is Josip. He sneakily snuck in.
I was here the entire time. I just wanted to say,
See?
gotcha.
Yeah, he got us. He asked us to open the door, so naughty boy.
I didn't say which door.
Yeah, true. Naughty boy.
Seriously, I was like looking through here for like a whole minute and a half, just knocking. Completely oblivious.
Well, sorry, you can see that we are trying to work and organise for the show that's coming up in 36 minutes.
I thought we've already done it.
Well, you have, but we're doing some other stuff to... Hey, we've got some sports results we've got to talk about.
Yes, we do.
We've got some other
results.
we've got some other little things to talk about as well on the show.
Ooh, lots of developments.
Yeah, I know. So there's things we need to discuss beforehand. So, yeah.
The preparation is all in the details.
Exactly. We've got a few people joining us. We've got Anna Chooks 80, Adriatic 4U, and Vest 2020. So hello everybody.
Good afternoon, everyone, or good evening,
or good morning, whichever one it is. Yeah.
I apologise for you all having to put up with my face. At least it's a lot better than Marko's face.
Agreed. Yes. But anyway, we'll let Josip go so we can prepare because he's going to be running the show tonight. Hopefully it all goes smoothly.
Hopefully. Don't worry, when the time comes, the hair will be unleashed.
Exactly. So stay tuned, guys. 35 minutes before we get to running. So talk soon, guys.
Hrvati.